Engineering. Building a better future, with Stephen the Engineer. Mining engineering is a crucial part of the mining industry. It involves the extraction of minerals and metals from the Earth's crust in a safe, efficient, and environmentally responsible way. Mining engineers play a vital role in every stage of mining, from the exploration phase to production, processing, and reclamation. They work with geologists, geotechnical engineers, and other professionals to determine the location, size, and quality of mineral deposits. They also design and oversee the construction of mines, and ensure the safety of workers and equipment. Mining engineers are responsible for developing new technologies and techniques to extract minerals and metals in the most efficient and cost-effective way possible. They also work on environmental management plans and rehabilitation of land disturbed by mining activities. Mining engineers are constantly innovating and adapting to new challenges in the industry, including the growing demand for sustainable mining practices. Mining engineering is a fascinating field with a wide range of opportunities. Whether it's working in the field, in a laboratory, or in a control room, mining engineers are at the forefront of the industry's continued growth and development. Hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons below and watch our other videos on different branches of engineering. Thanks for watching.